So, after 2 months of searching, including one where I stayed with a friend and my dogs were at other friends' houses, I did find a cool loft situation. During this time, I had tried to get an estimate for cost and was unable to do so. I also tried to get a healthcare worker to visit, as is provided by my insurance during my 1 week off for recovery, but the insurance gave me the runaround. Because there was a potential that I might be paralyzed if the surgery went wrong, I asked my mother to come up for a week. The then editor of the Pasadena Weekly, Kevin Ulrich, drove us to the outpatient surgery center in Beverly Hills in the early morning hours. Another friend who has the laser-like intensity of a professional librarian to get things in order picked us up. I took the pain medication for 1 to 2 days. I walked my dogs every day, and because my mother didn't help with cleanup or cooking, did that as well. On the financials, expect to get your surgeon's bill along with possibly the medical facility, assistant surgeon, and anesthesiologist. These will probably all come separately. I used to work medical billing, so wait to see what your insurance will pay. Then, as long as you're making an effort to repay the debt, no one can take you to court. I was in medical billing, and one patient was like paying $5 to $10 a month and eventually paid everything off, and we cheered. So that's all for now.